Guys, when I tell you I love this comfort food, I love this comfort food. So today I got to sleep in, and it's just about lunchtime, and I've got a gig to run to, so high protein comfort food for breakfast. Happy food dance, of course. So good. And I mean, only 50 calories a piece. For the entire container, it's 30 grams of protein. And it's just a comfort food, and I love it. So I thought I'd share it with you guys. Hope you're having a great day, great week, and I'll see y'all soon.